COVID is the only instance where oxygen is required. Oxygen could be required in mostly all serious medical conditions and emergencies where there is breathlessness and respiratory problem. We even learned that a few puffs of pure oxygen could keep us younger and the skin glow. Pure oxygen keep the children more active and brighter. Dr. Oxygen generator does not need battery or electricity and has a long shelf life. Dr. Oxygen, a small and a light gadget, is not only for the hospitals but for every other public places and health centers, school, gym, clubs, and I would say every home. It is very affordable and a must-have.